this flashlight any good? Ugh, well, let's test it out and find out. So this is what it looks like in a house. So this is on bright. Let's go ahead and look outside. So I wanted to test it before it's actually pitch black, because if it's pure black, dark outside, it's gonna make the light look better. But if you do it when it's dark out, but not fully dark, it'll show up better to the quality. And as you can see, even though it's still not fully dark out, the flashlight shines very bright. And if we go over here, you can see the trees way over here. Wow. So you have one tree here, you have a second massive tree over here, and you got some bats flying out over here. It's actually very bright. So a couple modes here. You have flashing, low, off, double press, high. If you press and hold, when you go in mode 1, now press and hold, it goes through 3 dim settings. Yeah, overall, I would say for its size, it's very impressive. Like, lights up everything, because you can see. Very impressive.